So I know you are the one who is still adding gym lead details manually into your Google Sheets like this. Then it's time for a change. You can simply create this automation where what is going to happen is that whenever you're going to receive a new lead which is for your gym, automatically the lead details will be added in your Google Sheets. And further your team can follow up with them and convert them into paying client. And in this video I'll show you how exactly you can create this automation without any programming or coding language. So to do this, you have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. This means that you can add up to 100 of lead details for free for your own gym, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, I've attached the discount coupon code right over here. This discount coupon code is only for the viewers of our YouTube channel. So if you watch our YouTube videos, this discount coupon code is specially for you. You can use this discount coupon code to get a heavy discount on the lifetime deals and yearly plans of Pabbly Connect. So yes, now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect and let's see how we can create this amazing automation. So for that, this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this, you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for Google Ads. So let's search for Google Ads and select it. For the event, we have to search for new lead form entry and click on this connect. And now it is going to give me a webhook URL and few instructions. So what you have to do is you just have to copy this webhook URL and follow these instructions. For that, you have to open your campaign inside Google Ads. So this is the campaign inside Google Ads, and in this campaign I've added the lead form. And what I'm just going to do is the connection between Pabbly Connect and Google Ads will happen using this lead form only. So as you can see that this is my lead form where I've selected the details like the name, email, phone number, and also this additional information which is are you over 18 years of age, because this is really important for me. And what you can do is you can select the details right over here according to your own requirements. What you can do is you can go to this add question right over here and you can add your question right over here. They also have some pre-built questions. You can select anyone from this also which is related towards your gym requirements. And further, you can create this lead form. Once you create this lead form, I'll just suggest you that don't include many questions, because what happens is like when the leads come in, they fill in this form. So like say they filled in this name, email, and when they see that there are many more questions left, they might get distracted or they might feel that this is very boring and skip the rest of the form and do not submit this form. With this, what happens is that you can lose that lead. So what you can do is you can keep very minimum questions in your form like name, email, phone number, and one or two more questions which are very important. And then further, when you gather those details, then you can contact your lead and collect the rest of the details, because now you have their details and you have a chance to convert them into client. All right, so I'll suggest you keep very specific questions only. And now let's see how we can connect this with Pabbly Connect. So for that, we just have to scroll and you're going to see that we're going to see the option of this lead delivery. Open this and it is saying webhook URL and the key. So simply paste the webhook URL which you copied from the workflow. And then you have to enter the test key and click on this send test data. Once we click on this send test data, it is saying test data sent. So let's open our workflow and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. We just have to wait for a few seconds, and as you can see that Pabbly has successfully captured the response. And over here we have all the details which we have to add in our Google Sheets. But now you have two options. If you want to create this automation using only your real lead details, you can click on this recapture webhook response and wait until you receive a real lead, and then you can add the real lead details into your Google Sheets. But I'll suggest you can create this automation using the test lead details, and it is going to run perfectly fine for your real leads too. No need to worry. Now to add these details in your Google Sheets, click on this add new action step, and then for the action application, search for Google Sheets and select it. For the event, you have to select it as add new row and click on this connect. Now, if you've already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now we have to select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to build this connection, and then Pabbly is going to ask us for some permissions. So click on this allow and give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for, because your data is 100% safe with us, no need to worry. Now you have to select the spreadsheet in which you want to add the lead details. So the name of my spreadsheet is details, so I've selected the same, and the name of my sheet is sheet 1, so I'm just going to select the same, and one by one I'm just going to add the lead details. But we're not going to enter the lead details manually by tapping it like this, but instead we are going to map it. So if you know what is mapping, so mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. You have to make sure that you only map the string value and then click on this save and send test request. Now we have received the positive response that we have successfully added the details in our Google Sheets. So let's open our Google Sheets and you're going to see the details have been added, be the name, phone or email. And like I did, you can also create this amazing automation for your own gym, because right now in today's world, collecting the lead details and asking them or following with them is really important. You can't just lose the leads once they fill in the form. You instantly have to contact them, and then only there is some chances to convert them into paying clients. So go and try this amazing automation for your own gym, because right now we also are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any doubts, drop them in the comment section below. My team will help you out. For your reference, I'll attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.